Hey, I'm going to show you how to create a form and customize its font in a few minutes. So I'm going to start it from scratch. So any place that you are on Jestor, if you are a builder, just go here and go here, new superform. You'll see that the builder mode is already activated, given that I'm now going to build something. This is a sample form. So now I'm going to change this for my form. I will create like a customer form. So let's go here, edit this form. I would change for new customer. I will leave this as an example. I can add here my logo or not. I can change this as a cover picture. Let's just take this as an example here. I'm going to add this as a cover to my form. I could add a logo here as well, and I will give here a new table. I will create a new table. I'll create the fields for this form. I don't need to go to the table to do this. I can do everything here. So let's create it here. Client name. It's a short text. I will create another one that's more info. It's a rich text. I will create, let's say, a checkbox. No or product, something like this, just as an example. And yeah, for now I'll only create these fields just to show you that I can create a field here in a table straight from my form. So now I can come back here. I can add form blocks. So form blocks are tools that you can add for your form. So let's say if I want them on the same line or not. Maybe I want client name here. Doesn't make a lot of sense because this is just an example. I will create one more field just to show you how to use a conditional. Let's go here, new field. Let's call stage. New, done, lost. I will even change the colors here. Maybe this one, just as an example. So now I have the stage info as well. And I will put this here. And I will only show more info if stage equals to lost, for example. So I want to show more info when stage is lost. I'm going to also show you how to change this from the standard view to maybe standard horizontal. Okay, so now it's like a button. I will even change here and here, just as an example. And that's all for now. So now I have a form that I can add here a name, select an option here. You see when I click lost, I have a conditional, and I can submit this form example. I can submit this, and this will save this information on this table. So that's my table with all the responses. Okay. One question that a user had was regarding sharing this public link. So it's 2 clicks, and you will create a public form for this. Now, if I come here, this is a public form. It will work the same way as we expect. I could even go here to my form table again, just to show you that you have a response here. So stage is new. In this case, I just need to add the other fields just to show you guys the responses. So I add all of them. So this was a public response, given that it's public. I don't know who sent this, so it's anonymous. And the last thing that the customer has asked is regarding fonts. So fonts is really simple as well. You go to customize, and you can select a different font. So maybe you want Open Sans. So let's select this one that's a really different one. So yeah, if I let's save. So now I have a form. This form is also a public form. If I want to go here, I need just to refresh this. I can customize if I want to show something or not. But this is a form, fully functional, 7 minutes, and I stopped to explain a few things. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, just let me know.